Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manage VoiceOver Braille on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. Then we go down and tap on Braille. And in here, there are a lot of options which you can manage. You got output. So here you can choose uncontracted 8-dot Braille or 6-dot Braille or contracted Braille. Back here, you got the input. So here you can change the Braille for input. And you got Braille screen input. So you can change it to uncontracted 6-dot Braille, contracted Braille. So here say enable Braille screen input. In the VoiceOver rotor settings, you use Braille screen input. And here you got the reverse dot positions. Next is the Braille tables. So in here you can add in Braille table. So select a language and then tap on add. And then down here you got the status cell. So you can set it to left or right, and then you can choose, you turn on or turn off, show general status and status, show text status. And other options are equations, use NMF code, show on-screen keyboard, turn pages when panning, word grab, text formatting, Braille alert messages, ignore code, duration, auto advance duration, sound curtain, and enable Bluetooth on start. And that's it. So a lot of options which you can manage for VoiceOver on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.